So a multicam clip on your timeline which you can't auto track. Here's your solution. Right click it, come up here to flatten clip, pick the option that's best applied to you, and now you can go here and track it however you want. For this clip, it's best to use the reference frame, and it will actually go this time. Now, say you wanted to keep this a multicam clip, because as you can see over here, now your second angle has been taken away. You can Control C or copy this clip here, Control Z a couple times to bring it back to the multicam clip, and now Alt V to paste the attributes, and the reference motion data that you captured before will now be on this frame. Now just be wary that if you come here and change the angle at any point in time for this clip, this motion data that you've captured will also be on your other clip, which you might not want it to be, but at least you have it, and you could always just kill it for that to keep it how you want it to. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.